My dear students, welcome to chemistry class. Today I am going to explain P block element in which we will study chemistry of phosphorus. Let us see. Here are the properties, and there are three allotropic modification of phosphorus: white phosphorus, red and black phosphorus. Here we are going to discuss the white phosphorus and red phosphorus. Distinction between white phosphorus and red phosphorus. White phosphorus is translucent waxy solid, though red phosphorus is hard crystalline solid and brittle in nature. It is white and gets yellowish in color on exposure to light. But red phosphorus is red in color. Its odor is garlic-like. It is odorless. It is toxic in nature. It is non-toxic, soluble in CS2 but insoluble in CS2. Red phosphorus is insoluble. White phosphorus बहुत ही रिएक्टिव होता है, वेरी रिएक्टिव. ये लेस रिएक्टिव है इसके रेस्पेक्ट में. Its melting point is 317 Kelvin, though its melting point is 883 Kelvin. Density is, it has low density and it has relatively high density, and its stability is less and its stability is more than the white phosphorus. Red phosphorus is more stable than the white phosphorus. This is the structure of white phosphorus. White phosphorus exists as discrete molecule, tetrahedral molecule के रूप में exist करता है, in which the angular strain is quite high and this is the angle 60 degree. Due to angular strain, it is less stable and more reactive. Due to high angular strain, it is less stable and more reactive. White phosphorus on reaction with NaOH solution, sodium hydroxide solution, undergoes disproportionation reaction in which phosphine and sodium hypophosphite are produced. This is an example of disproportionation reaction in which the same element undergoes oxidation as well as reduction. The oxidation number of phosphorus is 0, and after reaction in phosphine the oxidation number of phosphorus is -3. So there is decrease in oxidation number, and here the oxidation number of phosphorus from 0 to +1, that is increases, oxidation number increases. The same element is reduced as well as oxidized, and therefore this reaction is disproportionation in nature. Disproportionation reaction is one in which the same element undergoes oxidation as well as reduction. My dear students, we will see the structure of red phosphorus. Red phosphorus is found to exist in polymeric form, in which many P4A units are combined or linked together. The covalency of phosphorus is 3, and here is the transition temperature at which the conversion of white phosphorus into red phosphorus takes place. White phosphorus at 573 Kelvin is converted into red phosphorus, and red phosphorus has two allotropic modification: alpha black phosphorus and beta black phosphorus. Alpha black phosphorus is produced on heating red phosphorus at 803 Kelvin in inert atmosphere, and beta black phosphorus is obtained by heating white phosphorus at 473 Kelvin at high pressure. This is the stability and reactivity of white, red and black phosphorus. White phosphorus से अधिक stable red phosphorus होता है, and black phosphorus is thermodynamically most stable. The reactivity of these allotropic modifications are opposite to their stability or thermodynamic stability. White phosphorus is most reactive, then the red phosphorus and then black phosphorus. White phosphorus सबसे ज़्यादा reactive होता है, उसके बाद रेड फास्फोरस, फिर ब्लैक फास्फोरस होता है। इट मीन्स द मोस्ट स्टेबल thermodynamically form of phosphorus is black phosphorus. That's all today. All the best. God bless you.